Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gorm Guitar. Very nice song from Nico Santos, who's been with us a couple times before, and this one is called Human Being. Very nice music video, and this is a track coming from the original song No Diggity. So this is the best version I've probably heard anybody doing it, and yeah, I believe that Sharon had one, and yeah, there's a couple other songs called No Diggity is like a legendary song. Nico Santos, very nice version. All right, so let's take a look at this one. It's called Human Being, and we have 4 chords. Okay, so we need to go over them without any capo. We have easy chords now, so let's start with A minor. Okay, so that is open A, second E, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is C. Very easy transition there from this to this. You just take the 2nd fret G string and put it on the 3rd fret A and keep everything else there, and that will give us 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G chord as the next one. So it goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord is the F. Alright, so it's a bar chord. We play the bar on the 1st fret, then you cover all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And that's the final chord. Alright, so this song goes in that chord progression in the same order we just learned: A minor, C, G, and F. Alright, so we have 2 different versions of playing it. One is more like just strumming, and the second one emphasizes the beat and rhythm a little bit more. So let's do it, and we're gonna start with the first version, just downs, okay? So we're gonna play A minor 3 downs, C 5 downs, then you go to G and play 3 downs, and F 5 downs. So A minor 3, C 5, G 3, F 5, like this. Again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So you can play like that from the beginning till the very end, but if you want to add in the beat and rhythm a little more, then you're gonna throw in a clap instead. So the clap replaces the 3rd down in A minor and in G, of course. So all the chords, both chords where you play 3 downs, you have the clap instead of the 3rd down. So it will be down, down, clap. And then for the 2 chords C and F where you play 5 downs, the clap replaces the 4th down. So 1, 2, 3, clap down. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, clap 5. That is how you're gonna think, all right? So down, 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 clap down. So the chord progression here will be down, down, clap, and then down, 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 clap down. And then you redo it with the next 2 chords, G and F. So slowly, one round will be like this. Again, 1, 2, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, 1, 1, 2, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, 1. In tempo, a couple rounds. And that, my friends, covers Nico Santos' version, and it's called Human Being. Very nice song. Give it a try, guitar friendly, and all that good stuff. Yeah. Thank you so much, and play tuned.